Welcome to Nigeria's very own textile manufacturing plant. Located on an industrial strip in the state of Kano and founded between the years of 1987 and 1989, African Textile Manufacturers began the full process of developing various grades of organic Nigerian-grown cotton. The process begins with Etim providing local farmers across northern Nigeria with cotton seeds to organically grow them until the raw cotton balls are harvested and ready to be bought back in tons by the factory. We met with Anthony, the quality control manager at Etim.
Where do you get your seed cotton?
We bought it from
In Nigeria?
Yeah, it's a Nigeria product.
Okay.
It's the normal raw cotton.
Raw cotton, so
yes.
Not genetically modified, just
No.
raw cotton
it's
seeds.
Raw cotton.
Okay.
We gin it, we remove the seed, we clean it to convert it to linen. Then the good cotton now, we bring into spinning. Then spinning now will now begin to work on it to convert that cotton to different stages till it reach yarn like this. Now when it reach the yarn like this, then we now take it to weaving for weaving.
Although full production at the factory started in 1999, African textile manufacturers now face the same fate as most Nigerian businesses. As of 2024, the factory's electricity bill was as high as 30 million naira a month, with a cutback from over 5,000 members of factory workers to just over 300.
Of millions of nairas consumed a day. Like spinning, we have a lot of different motors contact. One machine have more than 7 motors, and each of the motors consume hard light. Spinning is the highest consumption of power. Almost every month, they pay 30 million naira to NEPA for NEPA bill.
This is what Anthony had to say about the quality of Etim's cotton.
We took part of some of the yarn for laboratory tests for imperfection. We check the naps, we check the thin place, we check the thick place. The higher the weight, the heavier the quality, the worse the quality. So here we deal with 100% cotton. So this is the Ulster testing machine, where we test the uniformity as I taught you.
Through the late 80s, Nigeria's textile industry grew to be the third largest in Africa and subsequently the second largest by 1997, preceding Egypt. Between 1985 and 1991, it recorded an annual growth of 67%. It employed about 25% of workers in the manufacturing sector, employed over 1 million Nigerians, and generated over 1 billion in revenue to the federal government of Nigeria. Now privately owned, African Textile Manufacturers is one of the few factories that still represents the golden period of Nigeria's textile industry. Anthony believes that for the Nigerian textile industry to grow, Africans must have a mental shift that leans into collaboration harbored by trust and transparency.